It was September 2nd, 2023, when an American airline flight from Charlotte, North Carolina was making its way to Boston, Massachusetts. Approximately midway through the flight, a 14-year-old passenger got up to use the main cabin lavatory nearest to where she was seated. When she arrived at the lavatory, it was occupied. That was when an onboard flight attendant named Estes Carter Thompson III, 36 years old, allegedly approached her, told her that the first-class lavatory was unoccupied and escorted her toward first class. Before she entered the lavatory, Thompson allegedly told her that he needed to wash his hands and that the lavatory's toilet seat was broken, and briefly entered the lavatory. It is alleged that after Thompson exited the lavatory, the 14-year-old passenger entered and observed red stickers on the underside of the toilet seat lid, which was in the open position, that stated "inoperative catering equipment" and "remove from service," and "seat broken" was handwritten in black ink on one of the stickers. It is alleged that beneath the red stickers, Thompson had concealed his iPhone to record a video. The passenger used her phone to take a picture of the red stickers and the concealed iPhone she found in the lavatory before exiting, at which time Thompson allegedly re-entered it immediately. According to court documents, when the passenger returned to her seat, she informed her parents of what she saw and showed them the picture. The victim's parents reported the matter to other flight attendants on board, who notified the captain, who in turn notified law enforcement on the ground. It is alleged that the victim's father confronted Thompson, who shortly thereafter locked himself in the lavatory with his iPhone for 3 to 5 minutes prior to the flight's descent. Upon the flight's arrival at Boston's Logan Airport, law enforcement observed that Thompson's iPhone may have been restored to factory settings. It is alleged that a subsequent search of Thompson's suitcase was found to contain 11 inoperative catering equipment stickers, like those observed by the minor victim on the back of the toilet seat. A search of Thompson's iCloud account allegedly revealed 4 additional instances between January and August 2023, in which Thompson recorded a minor using the lavatory on an aircraft. The minor victims allegedly depicted in the surreptitious recordings were 7, 9, 11, and 14 years old at the time. Additionally, over 50 images of a 9-year-old unaccompanied minor were allegedly found in Thompson's iCloud. The images included photos taken while the minor victim was seated in her seat pre-flight and close-ups of her face while sleeping. All minor victims involved in this matter have been identified and their families contacted by law enforcement. It is further alleged that hundreds of images of AI-generated child pornography were also found stored on Thompson's iCloud account. This case was brought as part of Project Safe Childhood, a nationwide initiative to combat the growing epidemic of child sexual exploitation and abuse, launched in May 2006 by the Department of Justice.